So we have this new image generation AI from Meta, and you can't wait to find a video telling you everything you need to know. Well, let's begin right away. Here we have this link, imagine.meta.com, where we have to go, and then we have this page. And here on the left side, you can see this panel where you will write your text and then click on the generate button to generate. So simply log in to proceed. I'm going to continue with Facebook. You can also choose to go with Instagram since this is from Meta, so you can connect your apps from Meta. On the next step, it will ask you to create a new Meta account if you don't have already one connected to your Facebook account. And then you will have this new page where you can see your account and you can type in to generate your images. So let's go ahead and try generating some art. By tapping on the generate button, we will have our art created within few minutes. You can see the cool animation of how that is being processed. And now here we have some nice looking art, and you can see there are several versions which they have created for us. They all have amazing quality and it looks exactly how we have described on our text. You can share this artwork on your social media, and you can also download this and then use it anywhere you would like. Now let's go ahead and try generating some other. For example, I'm going to generate something similar to a Vampire Diaries characters. So I described to the AI that I want a vampire similar to the Vampire Diaries style with long hair and badass, like Elijah. And yes, we have gotten exactly that. Look at this image. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.